Okay, I got one more thing I want to show to you. First off, if you have a QR reader and know what the QR reader is, you can get one on one of your iPhones or Android phones, and you can take a picture of this, and we'll give you some more information of how to solve problems like this graphically using a graphing calculator. I'm going to show you how you can use Desmos, which is a grapher, just like you can do on your graphing calculator, to solve some of these problems right here. So each of these problems were the problems we already solved. I got the 2 square root of x plus 5 equals 8. We found the solution to that, it was 11. I got this next one down here. We found that one was equal to 6. This one even turned out to be equal to 6 as well. And the last one on the bottom, there was no solution for that one. So I'm going to show you how we can graph these to find the solutions. Now, the first step is to graph each side of the equal sign separately. We're just going to graph those. So it's going to be y equals this whole side, and y equals this whole side right here, right there. Okay, we're going to graph those separately. Okay. Then the next step is find where the two lines or the two graphs cross. You just want to find where they cross. Now, when you find where they cross, let's say I graph. I'm just going to give you a quick example. So I got this, and I graph, this line like that, and graph the other side of the function, and graph like that. And that's not even a function, but it would cross here. Okay, and we want to find the x value of this point. Okay, number. The x value is the solution, okay? And there might be multiple solutions. It could curve back up. It could happen, right? Like that. It could have 2 solutions. But those are the solutions, the x values. So let's just show you how this works on Desmos quick. First, you should be prepared and have Desmos open. And I'm sorry I'm not prepared about that. So good thing I can type decently fast. Desmos. But I can't be accurate. Desmos. There we go. And then when you get in Desmos, we're going to start with our y equals, and then we go back to this, and we're going to put in the 2 square root of x plus 5. So we'll go back to Desmos, put 2 square root x plus 5. Okay, so that's the one equation, and now we're going to put in the right side of the equation. So we go y equals, and then if we look at it, we're going to put in this 8 right here. We're going to put y equals 8. Okay, so go back to Desmos, y equals 8. And nothing shows up. That's okay. It's there. It's just up a little higher. Check it out. There it is. See this 8 line? And we just got to figure out the x value for where it crosses. So we're going to hunt it down, and it crosses at 11.8. Now, remember, we're just looking for the x value there. The x value is the 11. So this is the solution to that. And we knew that was the solution because we already solved this problem. But see how we can use this graphing to do it right there. So that's the solution for that one. So that's one. I'll show you how to do another one. Just repetition is always good. So we got the third root. Oh gosh, is there a third root on here? There isn't, but remember the shortcut to figure that out. Third root is something to the 1/3 power, so we can put that in instead. So we'll do the third root of x minus 5, and then third root of x minus 5, and then we're going to raise that. Where's the raise? It's a little caret thing above the 6. Raise that to the 1/3 power. That's third root. So it's got that graphed. And then we got y equals, and then we got to graph this other one. The third root of 7 minus x. And, we could copy this. Make our lives a little bit easier. Copy that. Nope. Not Control C, not Control X, everyone. That's cut. And then that was 7 minus x, right? That's just how you can be efficient. And then we just find out where it crosses. Look at those cool graphs looking. So where do these two lines cross? They cross right there at 6, 1. We're only looking for the x value. That's the solution. So the solution of this one was 6. Isn't that nice? Makes life so much easier. Let's do this one now. We got 3x minus 2, and then y equals x minus 2. So got to put those 2 in there. So we got the square root of 3x minus 2, and then we have x minus 2. And we want to find where these two graphs cross. It crosses over at, there you go, at 6. 6 comma 4, and the solution to that is 6. It's your x value. You just want to look for your x value there. And we got one more. Now remember, this last one had no solution. So let's see how this looks. We have the square root of x plus 3 and negative 12. So let's figure that one out. Square root of x minus 3 then this is equal to negative 12. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Oh, there it is. See it? So we got this horizontal line, that's the x minus 12, and that we have the square root of x minus 3. These will never cross. And because they never cross, there is no solution to it. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? So, that's how you can use graphing to solve some of these problems. Graph the two. Wherever the cross is, you just look at the x-coordinate, and you will find the solution. And this is a great way to double check your work when you're doing the algebraic manipulation. And that is it for this chapter. This is section 8.8. This is Mr. Benson. You guys have a great night, and I will